Watch here and get surprised. Wow, the rain took that giant water tank away.
Yep, it's definitely full of dirt now.
The hurricane looks unbelievable. Look how it is drifting its way apart from the car. Wow, the hurricane and the strikes. It looks so unbelievable. The wind will take everyone's home down. It looks like a movie scene in the desert OMG.
Oh my god. Oh god.
The tree said, I'm done for good. It's funny and the same time, look at the flood taking the car away. Wow, the wind just blew off someone's roof. The trampoline is me. We stay even if we get pushed. Hurricane at the top of the mountain. This is unbelievable. Whoa, those strikes look just unbelievable. This hurricane might take someone's life too. The beach looks like a desert. The storm just took someone's roof again. The hurricane itself looked like a vacuum cleaner. The hurricane was about to take someone's home to the drilling. Looks like a hurricane. Wow, the sky looks so black. It actually looks like a movie scene. The volcano eruption from the upside. Looks so amazing, but it is very terrifying. It looks like Lord himself came upon the water. The water already started taking someone's houses too. Is that even a hurricane? Wow, the flood just broke the road. Those lightning strikes look so wilf. And so terrifying. This kind of hurricane is very, very terrifying.